Want to learn how to create a profitable investment portfolio in 2025? Stay tuned for this comprehensive guide that will help you achieve financial freedom starting today. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Are you tired of feeling like you're just treading water, watching others build wealth while you're stuck on the sidelines? Well, get ready to change all of that. The year 2025 is on the horizon, and it represents a golden opportunity, a blank slate for you to write your own success story. This isn't just another video with vague tips. This is your high-energy, no-excuses masterclass on building a winning global portfolio that doesn't just survive, but thrives in the modern economy. The power to build a life of freedom, choice, and abundance is within your grasp. It starts right here, right now, with the decision to become a smart, strategic, and empowered investor. So, buckle up, eliminate all distractions, and get ready to absorb the knowledge that will transform your financial destiny forever. Let's ignite your ambition and start building your empire. The first step on this incredible journey is to shatter the limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. Forget the myth that investing is only for the ultra-rich or for financial wizards with decades of experience. That's old-world thinking. Today, the world of investing is more accessible than ever before. You have the tools, the technology, and the information right at your fingertips. The only thing missing is the right mindset. You must believe deep down in your core that you are capable of building significant wealth. Visualize your goals. What does financial freedom look like for you? Is it traveling the world without worrying about expenses? Is it leaving a legacy for your children? Is it having the freedom to pursue your passions without being tied to a 9-to-5 job? Get crystal clear on your why. This why will be the fuel that drives you forward, the motivation that pushes you to learn, to save, and to make the smart decisions, even when it feels challenging. This is not a passive activity, it's an active declaration of your worth and your ambition. You are stepping into the arena as a player, not a spectator. Now let's get into the powerhouse strategies. The foundation of any successful portfolio, especially in a dynamic global market, is diversification. But I'm not just talking about buying a few different stocks. We're talking about strategic, intelligent global diversification. Think of your portfolio as a championship team. You wouldn't build a team with only quarterbacks, right? You need defenders, attackers, and specialists. Similarly, your investments need to be spread across different asset classes. We're talking stocks for growth, bonds for stability, real estate for tangible assets and cash flow, and even commodities like gold as a hedge against inflation. But we're taking it a step further. Within each asset class, you need to diversify geographically. The U.S. market is powerful, but it's not the only game in town. Emerging markets in Asia, Latin America, and Africa are experiencing explosive growth. Established markets in Europe offer stability and unique opportunities. By building a global portfolio, you insulate yourself from the downturn of any single economy. When one market zigs, another zags, smoothing out your returns and protecting your capital. This is how the pros play the game, and now you have the playbook. With our global mindset locked in, let's talk about the engine of your wealth-building machine, growth investing, with a heavy focus on technology and innovation. The world is changing at a breakneck pace, and the companies leading this charge are the ones that will generate massive returns in 2025 and beyond. We are living through a technological revolution. Think about artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, and fintech. These aren't just buzzwords, they are the pillars of the new economy. Your job as a savvy investor is to identify the trailblazers in these sectors. Look for companies with strong leadership, a clear competitive advantage, what we call a moat, and a massive addressable market. Don't be afraid to invest in the future. While others are clinging to the safe stocks of yesterday, you'll be riding the wave of innovation. This requires courage. It requires vision. You need to be a forward thinker, someone who can see the world not just as it is, but as it will be. Research, read, and become an expert in the sectors that excite you. Your passion will fuel your conviction, allowing you to hold on during market volatility and reap the enormous rewards of long-term growth. Of course, a high-octane offense needs a rock-solid defense. This is where value investing and dividend stocks come into play. Not every investment needs to be a high-growth moonshot. Building sustainable, long-term wealth requires a component of stability and income generation. This is your financial fortress. Value investing is the art of finding incredible, high-quality companies that the market has temporarily undervalued. These are the hidden gems, the diamonds in the rough. By buying these solid businesses at a discount, you create a margin of safety and position yourself for significant upside when the market recognizes their true worth. Alongside this, a portfolio of strong dividend-paying stocks acts as your personal cash flow machine. Imagine getting paid every quarter just for owning a piece of a successful company. This isn't a fantasy, it's a reality for millions of smart investors. You can reinvest these dividends to buy more shares, creating a powerful compounding effect that snowballs your wealth over time. This dual strategy of value and dividends provides the stability and predictable income that balances the more aggressive growth side of your portfolio, creating a powerful and resilient financial engine. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually do it? How do I manage all of this? This is where you leverage the power of consistency and automation. The single most powerful force in investing is not timing the market. It's time in the market, combined with consistent action. I want you to embrace a strategy called dollar cost averaging, DCA. It's simple but incredibly effective. You commit to investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, say $500 every month, regardless of what the market is doing. When prices are high, you buy fewer shares. When prices are low, your same investment buys more shares. Over time, this averages out your purchase price and removes the emotion and guesswork from investing. Set it and forget it. Automate your contributions from your paycheck directly into your investment accounts. This disciplines your behavior and ensures you are constantly building your portfolio without having to think about it. This is how you turn saving and investing from a chore into an unconscious habit of success. Every single automated investment is a vote for your future self, a brick being laid in the foundation of your financial freedom. It is the relentless, unstoppable march toward your goals. As we look towards 2025, it's crucial to stay informed and adaptable. The world doesn't stand still, and neither should your investment strategy. Being a successful investor is a lifelong journey of learning and refinement. Dedicate time each week to read financial news, listen to market analysis from reputable sources, and stay on top of global economic trends. Follow the big shifts, changes in interest rate policies by central banks, new trade agreements, and geopolitical developments. This doesn't mean you should panic and sell every time there's a negative headline. Absolutely not. Your core strategy is long-term, but being informed allows you to make strategic adjustments. Perhaps you see a massive new infrastructure bill being passed and decide to slightly increase your allocation to industrial or materials companies. Maybe you notice a new technology reaching a tipping point and decide to start a small position in that emerging sector. This is about being proactive, not reactive. You are the CEO of your own financial life. A great CEO doesn't just set a plan and walk away. They continuously monitor performance, analyze the landscape, and make intelligent pivots to stay ahead of the competition. Embrace this role with energy and confidence. Your commitment to continuous learning is your ultimate competitive advantage. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate goal, financial freedom. Remember that vision we talked about at the beginning? It's time to bring it back into sharp focus. Every dollar you invest, every article you read, every disciplined decision you make is a step closer to that reality. Building a winning global portfolio for 2025 isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about reclaiming your time, your life, and your dreams. It's about having the power to say yes to opportunities and no to obligations. It's about providing for your family, creating generational wealth, and making a positive impact on the world. The path won't always be a straight line. There will be market downturns. There will be moments of doubt. But your powerful why, your solid strategy, and your unwavering belief in yourself will see you through. You have the knowledge. You have the plan. The only thing left to do is to take massive, determined, and immediate action. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Start today. Start small if you have to, but start. Your future self, living a life of abundance and freedom, will thank you for the courage you showed today. Now go out there and build your legacy.